Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to create and use voice room on WePlay. So here, this video, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So to create a voice room in WePlay and to use it, click on the right side next to the WePlay icon in the left side corner, as you see right here. After doing that, you will see a plus icon in the top right corner. All we need to do is press on the plus icon. After clicking on the plus icon, we have option to put a room password right here. Once we put in the room password, we need to enter a password for that room, for a four-digit password. But now we're not gonna do that. Enter, and here we have the room mode. We have the normal, auction, video, game, team up. If we're gonna do the auction, it's gonna be an auction room. Let's write advanced room. Here, video and game. If we're gonna do a game room, there's of course we're gonna have a game team up right here. As you can see right here, Roblox and MLBB. And if there you go. But now we're just gonna do a normal voice chat room. So you can see here, we can select the room tag if we want. We can do link up, singing or music, but we're just gonna do ENT. Now we're gonna start. Click on confirm. So here at the voice room, it's pretty simple. Once you open up your voice room, now you can choose. People can join you, or you can choose to invite a person. So now we're gonna invite a girlfriend right here, and I'm gonna show you a few stuff you can do with that person. So here, oopsie, no, oopsie. Invite friends right there. Click on that. Just click on that right there. Then invite friends. There you go, invited. Now we have to wait. There's now join. Now she's right here. So there's two ways of doing this. You can send her a private message by just holding and private message right there. Hi. There you go. It says you right there. Private message. Or you can press on her and you can mute the user so you won't hear her. Or you can press on that, unmute as well, click on that, and then change user right here. When change user, if there's many of you, like 10 or 100 friends, you can change player's mic. Say user friend right here, press on that, and that place that she's staying there will be replaced by your friend. But now, as you can see, yeah, that's it. And then you can close a chair or something, like a one of these chairs right here. As you can see, there's a chairs right there. You can close any of them by just clicking on them and then click on close it, close it, close it, close it, which just means nobody nobody can get in on those chairs right there. So there's only 4 people that are allowed to stay at the voice room. So yeah, there you go. Oh, and a few tips, a few things you can do here. You can see here, right here, we have a red pocket, draw, big winner, bingo, cultivation, bag, smash, go. Those are the games, entertainment right here. And we have a room tools right here. We have the lottery, PK, music, sound effect, and scoreboard. If you just want to relax and chill, you can click on the sounds and you can choose which sound do you want by just clicking on pick right here. So yeah, there you go. Now we're just gonna go back. Here we have the recepts just right here. Free daily tasks right there. So gift right here, we can gift to a person. So you see right now, you can click on that person, then say you're gonna give them pills. Send. There you go. First, there you go. As you can see, now we have this right here. We have some emojis right here that we can use. As you can see, we can do wave. There you go. And right here in the left side corner, we have the mute. So we have the mute. As you can see right now, there's like an wave or something coming out of my profile right there. Now if we keep the mute right there, as you can see, that means we are able to talk to the people's on the room right there, as you see. Now we're gonna unmute that, and then we're just gonna, here we have the audio. So if we turn it up, anyone who talks right here, in the room, we cannot hear them anymore. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. And to exit the room, just click on the three that's in the top right corner, then click on exit. And as you can see right here, we can change the mode to game right here. Let's say we're gonna play game, say McLaren Classic Free, and confirm. Then there, you're gonna start the gaming room. So you can invite your friends and then play. There you go. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below. Where we sit down right there, and then there you go. We can play. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and then we'll be happy to answer you guys. So yeah, guys. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.